Let's talk about Spark X. I know, Jonathan, you're not the only one. A lot of Spark enthusiasts were really, really stoked. Be like, oh, big engine, new engine. What are we getting? Obviously, what we got was, and I had kind of gotten hip to it, and I couldn't come online and be like, but the changes made for Spark make sense. They make sense logistically. They make sense financially. And the other thing I'm going to say is there's still a lot left on the table. We're coming from 10 years of Spark. All right. Spark is an economical model. Spark is an entry-level machine. They're trying to get new and young enthusiasts in. So it only makes sense that they're going to carry that in with the new redesign. Now, the big talk for dealers, for corporate, has been that Trixx is the belle of the ball. All right. Everyone's interested in Trixx. People who come in, they look at a Spark, and then they see the Trixx and they go, I want that one. So Trixx has a lot of legs. So that is why for the new redesign for this year, they wanted to shine the spotlight on Trixx. 90 horse, Trixx mode, which is the kind of sharper, more rowdy, more aggressive tune. All right. More brappy, I should say. All right. That is, that's going to be the big attention. Now, everyone's like, well, you told me there was going to be a new engine. All I know is what Martin Lachance, who is now the head of engineering, was sharing with us. Now, we have many more years of Spark to come. So while we didn't get a 130 or 100 and whatever horsepower Spark this year, what we did get was a lot of things that build up to a potential Spark X in the future. Will it happen? I can't guarantee it. I don't work at Sea-Doo. I haven't been up to Quebec. I can't tell you. All right. They haven't shown me pictures of it. I haven't sat on it. I haven't put my hands on it. So all I have is the word of the engineering department. All right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.